Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to close DM in Twitter. So I'll be showing you how to do this on your mobile devices, but first of all I'll show you how to do it on your laptops and computers on twitter.com. So first of all you'll want to click more on the left hand side of the screen as I do there. Then it will pop up with this menu where you want to click settings and privacy. Then you'll see this screen where underneath account you want to click privacy there. Then it will come up saying direct messages towards the middle of the page. The first one there, receive messages from anyone, it should be ticked, but you want to untick it. So once it's unticked, your DMs will be closed. So that's how you do it for that. But now on your phones, on the Twitter app, you want to click on the top left hand corner where your profile picture is. Then you want to click settings and privacy. Next click privacy and safety. Now you'll see again it says direct messages, receive messages from anyone. Make sure you click on that so it turns from green just to black there. Once that's done, your DMs will be closed on the app. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more videos on the Twitter app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.